Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best monitors for PS5 you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Dell S3221QS is a 32-inch curved 4K UHD monitor designed for an immersive viewing experience, particularly suitable for PS5 gaming. It uses a VA panel, offering deep blacks and a 3000:1 contrast ratio, with a 60 Hz refresh rate and 4 milliseconds response time. The curved design reduces eye strain, and it supports HDR, with 90% DCI-IP3 and 99% sRGB coverage for vibrant colors. It includes built-in speakers, AMD FreeSync for smoother gaming, and versatile connectivity, HDMI ports, DisplayPort, USB hub. The monitor's ergonomic stand allows height and tilt adjustments, while Comfort View technology reduces blue light for extended use comfort. The Samsung Odyssey G7 is a premium gaming monitor available in 27-inch and 32-inch sizes, designed for an immersive PS5 gaming experience. Featuring QLED technology and HDR600, it delivers vibrant visuals with enhanced contrast. Its WQHD resolution 2560 by 1440, 240 Hz refresh rate, and 1 millisecond response time ensure smooth sharp motion for competitive gaming. The 1000 air curvature matches the eye's natural curve for reduced strain and greater immersion. It supports NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for tier-free gameplay and has a low input lag of 2 milliseconds. With infinity core lighting and ergonomic design, it combines performance with striking aesthetics. The Gigabyte M32UC is a 32-inch curved gaming monitor designed for high-performance PS5 gaming. It offers 4K UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160 with a 144 Hz refresh rate, overclockable to 160 Hz, providing sharp visuals and smooth gameplay. The VA panel delivers deep blacks, a 93% DCI-IP3 color gamut, and a 1 millisecond response time for minimal lag. HDMI 2.1 ports enable 4K 144 Hz gaming on next-gen consoles, while a KVM switch allows control of multiple devices. Adaptive Sync technology minimizes screen tearing, and RGB Fusion 2.0 lighting is customizable. Its ergonomic design supports height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, enhancing comfort for extended gaming sessions. The ASUS TUF VG249Q1R is a 23.8-inch Full HD gaming monitor tailored for PS5 and professional gamers. It features a 165 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond MPRT response time for smooth responsive visuals, minimizing motion blur and ghosting. The IPS panel delivers accurate colors and wide viewing angles, while FreeSync Premium technology eliminates screen tearing. ASUS Extreme Low Motion Blur enhances clarity in fast scenes. Its ergonomic design includes tilt adjustments and VESA mounting. Additional features like Shadow Boost improve visibility in dark areas, and preset gaming modes optimize gameplay. It's a durable high-performance monitor with excellent visual quality. The Sony INZONE M9 is a premium 27-inch PS5 gaming monitor offering exceptional visual quality and performance. It features 4K resolution 3840 by 2160 with an IPS panel for sharp clear images and wide viewing angles. The 144 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time deliver smooth blur-free motion. It supports NVIDIA G-Sync and HDMI 2.1 VRR for tier-free gaming. The Display HDR600 certification and 95% DCI-IP3 coverage ensure vibrant high-contrast visuals. Its full-array local dimming enhances shadow details, while features like FPS mode and black equalizer optimize gameplay. Designed for PS5, it includes auto HDR tone mapping and versatile ergonomic adjustments.